I was gifted this Thieves Household Cleaner from Young Living, and this is one of those products I just fell in love with. If you're looking for a cleaner that can pretty much do everything, this has been such a go-to for me, especially for mopping my floors. It's super concentrated, so you only need a small amount mixed with water, and one bottle lasts a really long time, which I love. What stood out to me right away is the scent. It has this fresh, slightly spicy smell from the essential oils like clove and lemon, and it just makes the whole space feel really clean without that strong chemical smell. When I'm mopping, it doesn't leave behind any streaks or residue, which is a big deal for me, especially on hard floors. Everything just looks clean and feels fresh after. I also like that it's plant-based and made without a lot of the harsh ingredients you usually find in cleaners, so I feel more comfortable using it around the house day to day, and the fact that I can use it on multiple surfaces such as floors, counters, even glass makes it really convenient because I don't have to keep switching between products. Overall, it's just an easy, effective cleaner that fits into my routine without overcomplicating things, and I've been reaching for it constantly.